Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we've walked into the Ashton lobby. Remember I was telling you about the valet service? So the gentleman is there, he's at the valet desk. And then we walked in, it's a really cool lobby. It's got a great feel. So the valet is over there. There's actually two valet guys, that's pretty outstanding. And then there's a 24-hour concierge that's over here. I've seen this actually for years. They're great service, and they take care of you. One other thing they also do, though, is they watch the doors. So they're checking out when people come in. I believe there's cameras also positioned. So this is a very safe lobby with two, really easy to kind of, check out entrances. So I like that feel a lot. Okay, so this is the rest of the lobby. Across the street over here, just right over there, that's actually where the gym is and some other amenities. We'll see that in a minute. But then also here is just kind of a lobby, just kind of a gathering area that's right here. So you can kind of just wait and meet people. And then there's a little bit more over here, just kind of the same, just a little kind of meeting areas. And then the elevators are there in the back. By the way, this is the access from the parking garage too. So this is kind of it. There's some free coffee here as well. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you're ready for that tour, whether that's virtual, live, or in person, send me a text and we'll take care of that also. It's part of our free service. We want to make sure you get the best Dallas apartment.